SK.
So, how do you feel? How was it working in GMA?
Great, grabe. Napaka-init na pagtanggap sa akin dito. Very, very thankful. Masaya din ako na yung mga katrabaho ko, yung mga kasama ko dito. Magaling, hardworking na artista, mahuhusay. Very generous actors. And can't be asked for anything better than that sa Kaisay.
Natuwa ka kasi di ba, although syempre nagkakaroon naman ng mga crossover na ABS, GMA, pero
Especially ngayon.
hindi pa rin naman lahat ay nakaka-crossover or nabibigyan ng opportunity. Pero kumbaga ikaw, eto na, nakapasok na, eto na,
Yes, yeah. So, matagal din ako hindi nagserye in the past years. Huli ko parang
no nga, ang tagal na.
pre-pandemic pa. Tapos nagka-pandemic, tumigil ang lahat. The rest is history, alam na natin yung nangyayari. Pero it's good to be back on TV. Minsan sa akin yung mga nangyayari parang seasons. Minsan music or theater or TV. So, sarap din na bumalik sa serye. And it's a project pa na ganito with like 3 big names na nagko-collaborate.
Okay, you are
Bukas na, kasi ang tagal mo nawala.
Hindi naman. Parang ano lang, riding a bicycle. Na-miss ko to act on TV. Pero parang everything, tama lang yung timing eh.
Wala masyadong changes.
Tapos parang lahat ng nangyari sa akin last year kind of readied me to do this project. And after doing One More Chance and then another musical at the time last year, parang na-ready ako for this.
Okay.
Hindi siguro to, the timing is just...
Ba't ka nagbalot ngayon, di ba? Ang ganda ng katawan mo, bortang-borte. Ba't tinago mo?
Nasa studio tayo.
Okay, malamig. Pero Sam, anong feeling ng the birth of Bar Sam?
Very glad na mainit yung pagtanggap ng mga tao. Papasalamat din ako dahil sinuportan na yung first episode. Hindi pa siya nag-air sa TV, so ibang story pa yun kapag when it finally airs. Kaya masaya. I mean, it's only the beginning. Ito yung feeling ng excitement for sa mga mangyayari pa. Sa storya, sa work. Very
So
excited.
maraming dapat asahan.
si Barbie o si Kylie?
Si Barbie.
Si
Bar
So,
Sam.
I'm sure ngayon mo lang din nakilala si Barbie.
Ngayon lang ako nagkatrabaho.
Pero may impression ka na ba sa kanya prior to this? Anong naging pagkakakilala mo sa kanya?
Well, alam ko na magaling siya na artista. She's a very talented actress. And it did not disappoint. Her nung una kami nagka-eksena,
Kamusta?
sobrang she's so young and so seasoned already. Alam mo yun, ang dami na ng experience and she's super talented. Kaya napakadali nakasama sa set. And more importantly, I think more than her talent, I think she's truly genuine.
Naging warm din ang
Napaka-
pag-welcome niya sa'yo.
Super. Oh. And si Kylie always says that too.
May mga sexy scenes ka rito sa Beauty and
Meron ba kayo mga...
Baka nila lang.
Lumalak
Hindi.
pa. May
Oo.
pa-topless
Lahat kami
or ano.
parang hindi namin masabi kung anong mangyayari kasi baka it's a murder mystery, revenge drama. So, mahigat kami sa mga kahit yung trailer, di ba? Medyo vague. Alam lang natin may namatay. Everyone's involved. Hindi natin alam kung sino gumawa.
Sa pakiramdam, nag-viral ka dad ba?
Kaya na yun.
Ngayon lang kita nakita eh.
No, I mean,
Mag-borta na nga.
oo.
Kasi hindi mo kasi
Kailangan
tinago mo nga eh.
Oo.
And the best, pero Sam, aware ka naman na may barda. Barbie and David.
Oh, yes.
So, na-very...
Okay, ano ba?
Ngayon may bar Sam, so I'm sure may mga may mga magre-react.
Oh, there's...
Sa tagal mo na rin naman sa showbiz, alam mo na yan.
Oh, well, there's no need to, to do that. Wala kailangan ni...
Wala sa dapat ikaw.
hindi kailangan mag-compare, mag-away-away. No. It's not that.
Kumusta ka yung personal life? Are you happy na? You have special
Good.
someone?
Good. Masaya ako this year. I think I'm able to juggle different things. Merong serye. Tapos meron kaming Joseph the Dreamer sa July. na
May love
musical.
life din.
Meron ko music, nilalabas.
Uy, ng December meron.
So, sino yun?
May love life din. May love life din.
Of course.
In fairness. Non-showbiz.
Secret. Then,
Pinapost naman.
Alam ko naman eh. Oo.
Sa Instagram ko ba? Wala naman.
Alam mo? Alam ba? Alam ko.
Bago ako relation. Wala naman.
So,
Meron.
matagal na rin kayo. Mga how long?
Manood na lang kayo ng Beauty Empire. Malalaman ninyo.
Ito mga cast ng Beauty Empire na to.
Pero sa mas magiging active ka ngayon sa, on-cam, ganyan, acting.
Yeah, sa ngayon, yeah, super.
Here sa GMA ba? Or
Yeah, for now, definitely. Taping 3 times a week. On top of that, rehearsals. Pero, yun, just really, really good to be here. Masaya kasi si Direk Mark, nakasama ko na rin noon pa, before pa. Teenagers pala kami noon sa,
talaga?
oh, sa ABS noon. So,
Kayo
good
ba
to
ni
be working
Kylie,
with him again.
hindi kayo nagkasama sa ABS before?
Hindi na.
okay.
Hindi na kami nagkasabay. Parang pagpasok yata niya sakto kakalipat ko lang ng Viva. That was pre-pandemic lang din. I think. Hindi ko sure.
Yung mga budgets
Hindi kami
para-
hindi nagkasabay.
Sama open ka mga sexy roles kung sakali. Since ang dami nakapansin na okay yung
Define
katawan mo.
sexy roles.
Daring, you have to bear, gano'n. Kung maganda talaga yung project.
Kung maganda yung project, yeah. Oh, why not? Hindi naman Viva Max levels. Oh.
So, pag Viva
Hindi
Max,
man, pang Viva Max ayaw na.
That's...
Hindi gano'n ka-level. So may limitations.
Hindi tayo abot dyan. Oo.
May limitations.
yeah, thank you sa...
Pero sama nung physically kay Barbie, ano yung medyo
Picture
na-attract
lang.
ka?
Alam mo, kaya siya magaling na artista, I think. Kasi ang expressive ng mukha niya, her eyes
Eyes.
are very expressive. And her smile, so big and contagious.
Ayun.
Diba? Genuine.
Thank you.
First, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. Really happy to see you all. Very happy to be here. Si Migoy, nakita niyo yung intro niya kanina. Isa siyang police, right? So, meron siyang, he has very strong motivations for justice and to protect the people that he loves. Siya yung type na kababata mo, since childhood. In this case, matagal na kaibigan ni Noreen na syempre secretly in love with her also. Medyo torpe, hindi niya kayang i-reveal sa kanya. So, yun, merong killing factor happening there. But ultimately, I think, from my perspective, I think he's a very charming character na always looking out for Noreen and always looking to ground her. Diba? Merong mataas yung aspirations ni Noreen and I think he's always there to ground her, to remind her where she comes from and why she does this for the people that she loves. So,
Oh, I love that. Wow. I think just by answering that, alam naman natin, parang very, naman siya. Parang feeling ko, mamahalin naman natin to character na to.
Sana naman.
Yes, sana naman. Okay. So, eto, may follow-up question from Ms. Iza also. So, nasilayan na ng fans mo ang growth mo sa industry, di ba? From joining theater, di ba? O, di ba? Theater.
Nag-high school musical kami ni Janina.
Yes, dyan tayo nagkakilala, guys. O, mamaya ikaw yung finale, Okay, to acting for films and TV. So, talaga namang napakarami mo nang na-experience, di ba? Parang all forms of entertainment, na-explore mo na. So, what makes you most excited to be working with this, of course, wonderful team for Beauty Empire?
Yeah, I'm super thrilled, super duper thrilled to be here. It's a new environment, new place. Matagal din ako hindi nagserye. Somehow in the past few years, of course, the pandemic happened. Veered into, went back to music and then bit of theater, then music again. So I'm very, very glad to be here. And of course, just being alongside these just great, beautiful, just giving, generous actors that we have here on stage. Couldn't be there could be a better project that I would be happy to be part of.
Yes. Oh, so perfect for you. I love that. Thank you so much, Sam. We look
Thank you.
forward to falling in love with Migoy dito sa series. Okay, and up next naman.